Our system is ASRock H610M-HDV M2. This is the 64 based, and you can check my device. This is the 13 Gen Core i5. I am using this my device it is. So now we are in Windows 11 giving this. So this is stuff. So you have to download your Windows version from here. Also download here. I have also all of it, and I have also put the pendrive here. This is my pendrive. So everything is okay fine. Now click the Rufus. Just click yes. No. So our pendrive automatically set up. So click the ISO file. Select come here. Start Windows. This is my final open. So you can all use here GPT or MB, everything is okay. So just click the start button. So you can check here. So remove requirement, create local user no need. So set up variable. This is caption. If you need here, so you can click. So I do not click here. So I just okay. Okay. So I need some time. You should wait here 2 or 5 minutes to complete here. So we have to wait. See the time also. Now it is 25%. Now it's loading install file, which it is 7 GB single file. So this file is copying now. So present time you can see that 7/4/7/2026, and today's time is on 5 p.m. 11:55 p.m. So it's the midnight here. So at this midnight I am setting up my PC. This PC I have set up in the 2024 year. I have set up PC. In the last 2 years I did not change anything. So this is my first time here also. So I am sharing it with you how to start and how to start to finish everything, every parts of the you can get the full video here. So you learn, you can easily handle from your home, control everything. So any issue I will solve with you. So we'll get the solution. So wait the rest of the time. Now 40% is okay. So now everything is ready. So close now. So you can delete this. Now close. Also browser close. Now just click the restart button.